Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Kada. In this episode, we are gonna unbox and review Bluetooth headsets. These are Ant H21 wireless headphones. So I've got a lot of reviews. I've read a lot of reviews. Let's see how it is. The MRP is 2,500 rupees, but in Amazon it has an offer of 1,100 rupees. If you can go and check it out. I'll just review it and tell you if it's a buy or not. So without further ado, let's roll. Okay, so first of what we do is we'll open it up and let's see what we get. So as you can see in the cover, you can see there are a lot of things which are given, like it has X-Bass, the standby time up to 200 hours, and let's see if we can see those things. It's sweat resistant and it has iOS power display. Okay, yeah, iOS power display. It has intelligent noise reduction. It has magnet fixing. Those headsets are magnetic. It has HD audio language tips. Operating 2 units. Okay. Music playtime, they say it's about 4 hours, and the talk time is about 6 hours, and the standby time is about 200 hours. Okay, so talk time is 6 hours, music playtime 4 hours. Okay, so let's just open it up and let's see what we can find inside this. And wow, this is awesome. This seems, whoa, this is pure, this is really good. They have a tin box, okay, so is there anything else? Okay, you have nothing else inside, other than the tin box, you have nothing else inside. This is the box, I'll keep it aside, and as you can see, this is pretty cool. This is one hell of a, okay. So this box is pretty cool. I love this box. The build quality is good. It's metal. And okay, let's open it up. Whoa. So I hope that you guys can see this. This is pretty cool. It has a foam. Okay. Let's keep it there. Let's take it out. Okay. So it comes with headsets. Let's take out these headsets first. Leave this one aside. So a pair of headsets. This is the, okay, here is the power cable. So this is the power cable. It has the plus, volume up, volume down, and the call button as well. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. As you can see, the build quality of the wire is really good. You can see these are the headsets. This is the other one, and they have magnetic ends, that is, they stick together. As you can see, they stick together. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You have like 2 magnets, they stick together. That's really cool. Okay, so let's see what else we have inside the box. Okay, so this is, let's open it up and let's see what we have inside this. We have a cable, a charging cable. This is a USB to mini USB. This is for charging this, and I really love this symbol, this and symbol. This is pretty cool. So this can be used for charging. And they have given a set of things. Let's open this up as well. So what all do we have here? You have a set of earbuds, 2 pairs of earbuds. So these are like the medium and the large ones. Along with that, you get these things. These are used for sports, so you can attach them to your headsets, and while doing sports and stuff like that, you can put it in your ear. So that's pretty cool. you get a clip, okay, and you get, what is this supposed to be? Okay, so there is, okay, this is I think it's to keep these from being tangled. I think you can like keep these inside this or something like that. No clue what these are for. Okay, seriously, I have no clue what these are for. I'll have to check the manual to know what these are for. Whoa, I get a sticker. Yay! So this is a sticker from Ant Audio. That's pretty cool. I really love this symbol. Okay, and yep, the user manual. Obviously, they should have a user manual. Okay, so this is the user manual and Word doc. So as you can see, it is a basic user manual. Okay, cool. So okay, let's see what the one thing is also inside this. What is this? Cool, exclusive reward. Okay, for the faithful. So if you can see this, you can read this. This is also pretty cool. So this is all you get inside the box. Pressing MFB. Great, what is MFB? Can I find what MFB is? Okay guys, so I think I might have figured it out. First you have to press this button and it will switch it on. That is switch on mode. Okay, this is not a pairing mode. In order to get into the pairing mode, you have to press this button again and this will start. When this starts, you have to take your phone and you have to search. So let's search for devices, and as you can see, it has come. Ant H21. And first pairing, it may ask for a password. Let's see if it asks for a password. So it is trying to pair. Should I press any button? Nope. Okay, it's connected. It didn't ask for any password of any sort. So it's connected right now, and as you can see, the blinking stopped. And let's just try playing something. Okay, so I'm gonna play this song and let's just put the volume. Okay, so as you can see, now it is showing me the battery percentage of the headphones as well. So that is one of the new features in this one. As you can see, this is the battery percentage, which I think that is also pretty cool. I can see the battery, how much battery is remaining in this. This is pretty loud. Okay, I'll just put it near the mic. This is pretty loud, and if you can, okay, I hope you can see this. This is pretty loud. So I'll just have to try it out and I'll tell you how it is. I have been hearing this and it's pretty cool. The audio quality is good and it's not really great, but it's good. For 1,000 rupees earphones, the audio quality is good. And let's say that I can, like, the volume buttons, all these things work good. They're not quick. It takes a little bit of delay. Maybe it's because of my phone. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. I'll try it with other phones as well. I'll pair with other phones and test it with them as well. But it has a small delay, a little bit delay. Along with that, it has a range of around 10 to 20 minutes just max. After that, you'll start getting like gaps in between. So while I was trying to play a song and just walking, and after around 20 meters, the sound, like the song came on off and things like that happened. But if you're standing still after 20 meters, it'll get to around 25 meters maximum. But after that, you won't get the range. So I would suggest that to use it around 20 meters. You can use it around 20 meters. It's good. It is sturdy. It looks and it is really sturdy. The quality of this fiber is, the cable is good. It is not it won't get tangled, that's for sure. along with that, it is pretty good fit. I'll just move my head just to think, like, show if it falls. No, it's not gonna fall. So it's pretty good, and it has a really good noise cancellation as well. Like when I put it on, it's like it's closed. I can only hear my voice. Other than that, even my voice is really low. I can only hear my voice from the inside, what I'm trying to say. So it's good. It's really good. If you have a budget of 1,000 rupees and you want a wireless headsets, I'll suggest you to buy this. It's really good, and it has an indicator, as I told you earlier, that it has a blue indicator and red indicator. Once it's paired, you don't need to do that. In order to switch it off, you'll just have to press and hold, and it will switch off. So that's there. Yeah, I'll have to check it how it is while calling. I've not checked it, and I hope that I'll give you a hopeful review the next week when we do this review of this one after 1 week. So let's see what happens, how the battery quality is. What I like the most feature is I get notification how much percentage is remaining of this battery, of the Bluetooth in my Android phone, and that is a pretty cool feature. I think that has to be done by the company who builds the headsets as well. So they have this feature built in so that I can see the battery percentage remaining, and that is really cool. I can know when to charge this. So I really recommend you to. I won't recommend you to buy it. I'll have to test it for 1 week. I'll be back after 1 week, and let's see how it is. I hope that you have liked this video, and if you have, please leave a like and also share with your friends and subscribe to Garita for more such videos. And in this video, like, we have told how it is. If you have any reviews or if you have any doubts, please put it in comments below. And also, if you want us to review something else, also put it in comments below. We'll try to review it. And also, we'll be showing this, like, we'll be having another video 1 week later, so that we can tell you how its battery backup is, how the charge is, and stuff like that. So stay tuned till next week. So until next time, bye bye.